Hi, my name is Elizabeth. I'm originally from Mexico City and I'm graduating from high school this year. I'm passionate about different things and areas. Some of them are gymnastics, culinary arts, painting, and drawing. I decided to participate in a Stand Up to Racism workshop because I think that racism is a problem that we all have to deal with. So in order to fight against it, we have to understand it first. The title is We Are Of the Same Color Inside. I use different techniques and elements. I include some photographs and I used Photoshop for that, but I also use Illustrator to mix a little bit with graphics or drawings. And all the elements represent that we are of the same color inside in different ways. I think that the most important part of a person is their personality, how they think, how they feel. So don't have prejudice of someone from how they look like. Instead, they can take the time to know that person, to know who they are.
My name is Yaroslav, I'm 22, I'm from Ukraine. I came to Canada since February this year. I decided to participate in that workshop just because of because my interest in graphic design. Based on my work, I think that I wanted to show more the situation in my country. My poster title is That's How Much Your Silence Costs. I used a paint of the monk, Norwegian painter, about the scream, and he wanted to show in his paint like that how the people just screaming but no one can hear them. That's why I'm used this person in my poster. The words on my poster, it's like the meaning of the word silent in every language of world, because I just wanted to get more people to see that and to understand that. And I just wanted to show people how it's important to scream. Now everyone tries to be so polite, so quiet, to don't talk about those problems, but I want to make people to talk about those problems, not about only the racism, about everything. If you don't like something, you can just talk about that to everyone.
My name is Miriam Kehinde. I attend Fort Richmond Collegiate and I'm in grade 11. Some of my hobbies are poems, art, reading comics, and spending time with my friends. I wanted to bring my views on racial discrimination outside to the public, and also I wanted to learn more about people's experiences with racism from my group of individuals. My poster is called Everybody Wins because I believe that everyone has unique strengths and talents that portray who they are as a person, no matter their skin color. I wanted to emphasize the fact that racism and talent do not relate to each other at all. The way I made this poster was I browsed on the internet for pictures that suited my interests, and I used Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop to edit my poster to a way that suited my liking. I wanted to send a message to the people out there. We shouldn't generalize one idea on a whole group of people because that's not right. And I also wanted to send a message that just because someone is black, Asian, or white, that doesn't mean that their abilities are limited.
My name is Chisom from Nigeria, and I've been in Canada for a few months now. I decided to participate to learn graphic design and how to use Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. We are all one, no matter our gender, race, height, social status. Okay, the softwares I used were Fresco, Adobe Fresco, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. I used Photoshop to get a collage of different skin tones and different people. and combine them to one single image. Then I used the fresco for an editing on the photos. We should give respect to those who respect is needed. We shouldn't judge others.
My name is Abdul Hadi. I'm from Syria. I'm come to Canada last year in August. I'm here for study. First, I am studying English now. My poster talking about everyone matters. I don't have any idea before. I choose this idea from the Canva application. It's a free application. I choose this picture and started design and color the letters. This poster hand check together different colors people, and for everyone matters. We are always together. There is no place for racism. I learned something about the design, how I make a design for this workshop. It's good for me in the future. Maybe I can work make a design in the future. A better. It's good for me.
When I was a kid, my parents always told me that I have to treat other people as I would like to be treated. So I think that's essential for everyone. Like, if we all have a little bit of empathy for others, we could change our actions to them.
Some of the rules of graphic design that I used were having a focal point, nice alignment, and I use contrast.
Firstly, I learned graphic design skills because I was always interested in learning something new. And more importantly, I learned that discrimination just can't be fixed. Like, everyone subconsciously has an idea of someone without actually knowing who they are first. And I also learned that sometimes there's no solution for everything. And when you think you have a solution for something, the solution can also lead to more problems. But the solution also serves as a solution for the bigger part of the picture.
The lessons that I have learned is I think that to don't be scared about your art, about your way that you think. Don't be scared about other people. Just to talk about your problems and talk about something that you don't like. Like, you can just always talk to someone and someone will hear you.